Hello all. As we are entering into the digital era, we know cyber threats are also increasing day by day. We see all new threats coming each day. So how we are going to control it? We need professionals. We need cybersecurity experts. And yes, we are here to help you. Transcendental Technologies India, in association with Savitribai Phule Pune University, is happy to announce the launch of professional certification in the field of cybersecurity. We have designed 3 courses who can make you expert in this field of cybersecurity. Courses are MIS, CSS and CCI. These courses will equip each and every individual enrolling in this course with how to handle network security, cloud security, cryptography, cyber laws, cyber forensic investigation, and many more. So, join your hands with us and enroll for our courses today. Thank you.